Hey everyone, we just received another product from AliExpress to review. Let's open it up and discover what we received this time. Okay, say hello to the rechargeable, waterproof, smart fingerprint padlock. According to the product description, the padlock supports up to 10 fingerprints recordings and 2 administrators. It's USB rechargeable with a built-in 300 mAh lithium battery, which can support up to 2 years standby time and can be opened up to 2,500 times. It's also IP65 waterproof, which means it's protected from water and dust. And it has an LED indicator with 3-color indicator to represent different status. We'll test that out, but first let's check if the product came as described without any missing pieces or damages. As you can see, the product looks brand new and all is left is to check its functionalities. Alright, let's test the padlock when there's only one user that's registered. As you can see, the lock itself will only open up with the finger that I registered with. And now let's see what happens when a thief tries to open my lock. You can try any finger you want, it will not open up. I felt sorry for the thief, so I decided to add him to the padlock. Let's see if it recorded also his finger. There we go. Isn't that easier? Based on this video review, we rank this product as a